Okay, let's picture this. It's a busy morning. You're running late. You open your closet and nothing feels right. You try on three different outfits. Nothing fits, nothing matches. Frustration builds, stress rises. And you think, I have so many clothes. Why do I feel like I have nothing to wear? You are not alone. Most people's closets are full of clothes, but empty of actual outfits. It's time to change that. It's time for a capsule wardrobe. What exactly is a capsule wardrobe? A capsule wardrobe is a curated collection of clothing that makes getting dressed simple, fast, and stress-free. It's not about owning the least amount of clothing. It's about owning the right clothing. Pieces that work together effortlessly and make you feel like the best version of yourself. Every item earns its place. Every outfit feels intentional. And best of all, you will always look stylish even on your busiest days. A capsule wardrobe doesn't just save your closet space. It saves your time, your money, and your energy. Studies show that we make over 35,000 decisions every single day, and outfit stress is a big part of that. But when your wardrobe is simplified, getting dressed becomes automatic. You have more mental energy for things that actually matter, more time with your family, more energy for your goals, and bonus, your style looks and feels 10 times better without even trying. The first step of building capsule wardrobe is not shopping. It's understanding your life. What's your week actually look like? Maybe you work a 9 or 5 office job, hit the gym 3 times a week and spend the weekends exploring the city. Or maybe you're a student who needs casual, comfy pieces 90% of the time. So, the first thing you should do is to break down your life into categories. For example, write down work or casual or activewear or special events in your notebook before starting anything. Your wardrobe should mirror your life, not your Pinterest board. Once you break down your life into categories, now it's time to choose your color story. The biggest secret to ease outfit building is a cohesive color palette. Pick 2, 3 neutrals that can mix with anything. Think black, white, beige, gray, navy. Then choose 3 or accent colors that you love and wear naturally. And quick tip here, warm skin tones look amazing in earthy colors like olive, rust, mustard, and cool skin tones shine in jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, and deep purple. Sticking to a palette means every top can match every bottom, almost like a magic. So, we already know what your life looks like, and we also have some colors that you chose already. Now it's time to select your essential pieces. Basics are the backbone of your capsule. I think you know that. Think simple, timeless pieces that you can wear 100 different ways. For example, a white tee that fits just right, or dark wash jeans that feel amazing, a black blazer that upgrades any outfit. And I have to admit, I am in love with blazers, and I talk about blazers all the time on my blog. A comfy but polished pair of sneakers is also a great idea to have in your capsule wardrobe. You don't have to only have basics in your wardrobe. You have to add layers, shoes and accessories. Don't forget the finishing touches. A lightweight jacket, a cozy cardigan, or a sleek trench coat can completely change the vibe of an outfit. For shoes, you can stick to 2 or 3 versatile pairs that work across multiple outfits. Accessories like scarves, belts, hats, and jewelry add even more versatility without cluttering your closet. There are people saying you have to have like 25 or 35 or 45 pieces in your capsule wardrobe. It's not about the number, it's about what you need to wear. You have to be brutally honest when you build your capsule wardrobe. If something doesn't fit, flatter, or feel fantastic, it doesn't deserve a place. Here is a quick rule. If you would not buy it again today, let it go. Or if you have not wear something for about a month or 2, you have to let it go as well.
Hard to get to know me, the better than the lies.
Now let me share advanced tips to master the capsule wardrobe that will work for you. You have to choose quality over quantity. It's better to have one perfect pair of jeans than five cheap ones that don't fit. Don't you agree? When you invest in higher quality basics, they last longer, fit better, and make you feel more confident. You need to learn just a little bit about fabrics too. Do you want clothes that last longer and look better? Learn to read fabric types. Look for natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, and linen. Avoid low-quality synthetics whenever possible. They peel, fade, and wear out faster. Even if it's not about the time it can last for you, it's about your skin healthiness. The skin in natural fabric can breathe, so it will be healthier for you. Do you know what's the enemy of a great capsule wardrobe? It's impulse shopping. You have to always shop with a list based on gaps you actually notice. No random, maybe I will wear with this someday vibes. You understand it, right? This step is pretty clear, but I still want to share it with you. You have to mirror test before buying anything. Before you buy anything, do this simple test. Try it on. Look at yourself in the mirror. If you don't immediately feel amazing, just walk away. Good clothes make you stand taller and smile bigger the second you put them on. And here is a quick trick I am using when I often go shopping for clothes. When I try something on in the mirror, I always take selfies in the mirror. I'm not buying anything at that moment. I'm going home, then I will check my selfie, and if I think I loved it, then I will get back maybe the next day or the next week and I will buy it. It's a great idea to create a capsule wardrobe for every season. So you need to create it in 4 times a year for spring, summer, fall, and winter. But if you don't have that much time, you just can create it 2 times for spring and summer and fall and winter. So you have to rotate and refresh seasonally. Capsule wardrobe are not static, as I already said that. At the start of each season, spend 20 minutes swapping out items. Lightweight pieces for spring and summer, cozy knits and boots for fall and winter. This keeps your style fresh without needing a whole new wardrobe. You remember how I started this video, right? Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning. You open your closet. Every item fits. Every color matches. Every outfit makes you feel amazing. Getting dressed takes 2 minutes and you feel confident walking out the door. That's the power of a capsule wardrobe. It's not just about clothes. It's about peace of mind. It's about stepping into your day like the most confident version of yourself. So now you have all the steps you need to create a capsule wardrobe. You are ready to create a wardrobe that works for your life and for you. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more style strategies and simple living tips. And tell me in the comments, what's the one piece you can't live without in your dream capsule wardrobe? For me, it's a blazer. Let's inspire each other. You're closer than you think to the closet, and the confidence is what you deserve.